Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix power button not working problem in your Redmi smartphone, how you can solve it very easily. So let's start the video. So friends, you can see I am just pressing the power button here and it is opening Google Assistant. To turn it off and fix this power button problem, you can solve it by two methods. So let's start the video. So friends, first you have to open your settings and click on search, and here you have to write power like this. Friends, you can turn it off the Google Assistant feature from the power button, or second step you can do it by clicking on this volume up button and power button at the same time to open the power menu like this. And this is how you can open the power menu, and you can reboot and power off your device very easily. So this is how you can solve it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.